All right, good. And let's start session. We are discussing about putaway rules. We are discussing about putaway rules. So in these putaway rules, ideally, we have to maintain in storage type. Go to extended warehouse management, master data. Here you can see the defined storage type is for nil. No problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
What's our warehouse number?
I'm out.
Fine. What is our warehouse number here in practice?
G100.
G100. Yeah. G100. And here we have two storage types. One is GR zone, the other one is storage type 1. GR zone is a non-standard storage types. For non-standard storage types, always the putaway rule should be for that is general storage area. That means no putaway rules. Okay. And coming to next, the second one is ST01. Okay. This is standard storage type. How do I say it is standard storage type and the other one is not standard storage type? Simple. Here you check storage type role. Okay. If it is blank, open it. See here, if it is blank, that is standard storage type. So if it is standard storage type, there will be n number of bins, and ideally we maintain stock in the storage types. The remaining all are non-standard storage types, like doors, like yard, like work centers, like quality inspection center, blah blah. Okay, so for all this there will be only one bin, so no putaway rules are needed. Fine. Coming to standard storage type, we have couple of options. Okay, so those are here putaway rules. In putaway rules, we have addition to existing stock, general storage area, and empty bin. So general storage area ideally for non-standard storage types. Of course, you can use for standard storage types also. Ideally, it won't. And empty bin. Empty bin means next empty bin. We discussed about this point, this putaway rule, and we executed this as well. Okay. Empty bin means maybe there are thousands of bins. System, or you can say search engine. Search engine starts always from bin number 1, for the first bin number 1. It will check whether some stock is there or not. If yes, it will go to the bin number 2, whether stock is there or not. If yes, it will go to next bin. Okay, always start from the bin number 1, wherever it could find the empty bin, and it proposes to place the stock into the bin. Okay, that's the one. And now, today our topic is addition to existing stock and empty bin. Today our topic is option number 2, addition to existing stock and empty bin. Okay, by seeing this, we have to understand that addition to existing stock and empty bin means it is, let me write, next empty bin. Okay, empty bin means always it is next empty bin. Fine. What is addition to existing stock? Let's suppose there are some bins. So there are some bins like bin 1 and so on. Okay, so this is the one. So initially for the first transaction, all bins are empty, correct? And let's say examples like this. On John 1st, he received prod 1. Okay, maybe 10 units. Okay, on John 1st, he received a product 1 with 10 units. So here the rule is addition to existing stock. Okay, that means prod 1. If the prod 1 is available somewhere in the storage type, system will place the stock in the same bin. Okay, so it will check it here first. Prod 1 is there? No. And within split of seconds, it can check all. So nowhere prod 1. Okay, what is the empty bin? The first empty bin that is here. Okay, it will place prod 1 here, and that is 10 units. You can maintain here capacity of the bin also, maybe it is 100 units. Okay, and this will be always okay. So on January 1st, we received, we means warehouse. Okay, warehouse has received this product, and this quantity, and it proposing to place stock in here. Okay, suppose John 2nd, we received the same product. Okay, prod 1 only. Suppose if we received 20 units. Okay, so what is the rule? The rule is addition to existing stock and empty bin. Okay, the rule is addition to existing stock. When warehouse received a product, it will check whether this product is available in any one of these bin. It will check always from the first bin. Bin number 1, product is available here. Then straight away it will propose to place the stock here in bin number 1 only. Okay, suppose John 3rd, okay, warehouse is receiving some other product with some quantity. Okay, so what it will check? Prod 2 is there anywhere? It will go to bin number 1. Prod 2 is there? No. So for the remaining bins, prod 2 is there? No. So it will take empty bin. Next empty bin. Bin 1 is already occupied with some product, and it will go to bin number 2 and proposes to place stock here, and quantity is 50. Okay.
Siva, sorry to interrupt, Siva, can you come back, Siva? Just I missed something here. If January 3rd, starting from January 3rd.
Okay. So on January 3rd, warehouse has received product 2. Okay.
Okay.
So system means search engine. Search engine starts always from bin number 1.
Correct.
Okay. It will check here product is there or not.
Okay. Product 2 is not available. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Then it will check bin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. All the bins. If 1000 bins are there, it will check all 1000 bins. If prod 2 is available somewhere, nowhere. Okay. If it is not available, then what is the next empty bin? Bin number 1 is already occupied with some product. Then it will go to bin number 2 and proposes to place the stock in bin number 2. That's the 50 units. Okay. For example, now Jan 4th. Okay. Suppose prod 1, maybe 10 units. Okay. On Jan 4th, warehouse has received prod 1. Okay. How search engine works? It goes to bin number 1. Is there any prod 1 in this? Yes. Okay. So what is the quantity? 30 units are available. So what is the maximum quantity? 100 units are there. Maximum quantity is 100 units. But right now only 30 units are placed in this bin. Okay. And we received only 10. Can we accommodate 10 units in bin number 1? Yes. Then system allows or system proposes these 10 units here in bin number 1. Okay. Let me go to another example. Jan 5th. Okay. Here, if I received prod 3, maybe 60 units. Okay. Now, I am asking you a question. So, system has to propose the bin. Which bin it should be? This is,
Three.
sorry?
Bin 3.
Bin
3.
Bin 3.
Yeah.
Exactly correct. So, it should be prod 3 and 60 units will be placed here. Okay. Okay. On Jan 6th, now I'll ask you questions. Okay. Prod 1. If I receive prod 1, 20 units. Okay. Where it has to be placed? Actually, how
Bin 1.
system proposes
Bin 1.
bin 1. So what are the things the system will consider here?
Consider if the stock
Capacity
is
and
already present in a
capacity
bin.
there is.
Correct. So it will check. Somewhere product is available. Yes. What is the capacity? 100 units. How many units are there right now? 40 units. How much you received? 20 units. Can we accommodate 20 units in this bin or not? Yes. $20. Okay. So this way your addition to existing stock and next empty bin will work. Okay. Let me say another example. John 7. Okay. Suppose if I receive prod 2. Sorry. Prod 2. Okay. Maybe 30 units. Now tell me how search engine works and where it should be placed.
It will start from the first and propose a bin 2.
Exactly. Okay. So start from bin 1. It will check here and it has some other product. Then it goes to bin number 2. Prod 2 is there. Fine. Good. And it will check a maximum quantity which can be placed. That's also fine. 100 units. And 50 units are straight away available now. And we received 30 units. So we can, our system can accommodate 30 units in this bin. Okay. So system proposes 30 units here. So this is the basic logic, right? Now, let me go to another example. John 8. Okay. And after this, I'll change the examples. Prod 4. Okay. So maybe it is 90 units. Whatever quantities. Okay. So what should be the bin number?
Bin 4.
Exactly. Bin 4. Prod 4 and it is 90 units. Good. Now the question is, maybe John 9th. Okay, don't get the dates. Just for example, I am giving the dates. So all this happened in the same day as well. Okay, fine. So now I am receiving prod 200 units.
20 units, it will put it in bin 2 and then it will move to bin 5.
Quite
Yes.
possible. Okay,
No, but for that split we have to define, right?
exactly. Okay, here two options are there. Option number one, if there is no split task process. Okay, if business don't want to split this quantity and they want to place entire quantity in one bin. Okay, so it will check first of all prod 2 is there. Prod 2 is available in bin number 2, and business expectation is 100 units they want to place. But here in bin number 2, 80% is already occupied, so you cannot place 100 units here, right? So in this case, what happened here, system will check next empty bin here. Okay, then stock will come to here, prod 2, and it will place 100 units here. Okay, if system is unable to find out entire quantity of entire GR quantity at a time in any bin, of course here as per the condition, as per Putaway rule, addition to existing stock, it will check addition to existing stock, and that is bin number 2. Prod 2 is available bin number 2, and it will check the quantity, maximum quantity or capacity of the bin, and it is 80 units are there in this bin, and business wants to place entire GR quantity in the bin. So can we place entire GR quantity into this bin? Its capacity 100 units, already 80 are there, only 20 can be accommodated, and business required to place entire quantity here. So the logic is not work out here, then it will go to next empty bin. So bin number 3 is some stock. It starts from again beginning. Okay, bin number 1 some stock, bin number 2 is, bin number 3 is, bin number 4 is, and we go to bin number 5. This is empty bin, and system proposes to place the stock here. If this is some kind of business requirement. Okay, and someone said, let me go for another example. On John 10th, okay, we are receiving prod 3. Okay, maybe it is 20 units. Okay, where it should go?
In 3.
Bin 3. So prod 3 is available in bin 3, and capacity is 100, and here is 60 units, so you can accommodate 20 units. System will propose stock here in bin 3. Good. And now maybe John 11. Okay, suppose I am receiving here again product functionality. Okay, product 3 only again, for example. Now I am receiving 50 units. GR quantity is 50 units. What the bin number should be?
6.
6.
It works the same rule which you maintained here. So it goes to prod 3 and 50 units. While doing like this, business may realize that prod 3 is here and prod 3 is available in bin number 3 also. So here 20% unnecessarily waste place is there. So its capacity is 100, but 80 only there, and still you can accommodate 20 units. Okay, so by seeing this kind of scenario, business may realize that no, it's not like that. First, we will fill 100% here, and then remaining quantity should be go to next empty bin. Okay, business may come to this decision. Okay, so if it is so, what will happen here? The remaining 30 units is on the right, 80. That means the remaining 20 units. Remaining 20 units will be placed here, and then it will check next empty bin, and if it is here, the 30 units will be placed in next empty bin. Okay, this is another business scenario. So these many ways you can do in this addition to existing stock and empty bin. Okay, fine. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so to do this scenario,
Just a question here.
please.
Suppose we received a product for product 5, the new product, okay, which 120 quantity. So on the first scenario of no split is there, how the system is going to determine it?
Good. On 12th January, suppose if you are receiving product 5 and quantity is 120 units as you said. Okay, so system starts search from here bin number 1. Okay, and nowhere product 5. So first it will select first empty bin, and that is bin 7, and it will propose prod 5 here, and capacity is only 100 units. So it proposes to place 100 units here. Okay, and then again it will search next empty bin, that is 8. Okay, so it goes to prod 5. The remaining 20 units will be placed into here.
Okay, this is if the split is activated, correct? If the split is not activated in the yellow case, how it would be?
It should not be, right? So business knows what they have to do, and consultant knows how to configure it. Okay, so if you are not giving proper rule to place the stock into the warehouse, our system knows how to accommodate it, right? So if it is yellow case, if it is only here, then system will throw an error. Cannot accommodate place, cannot accommodate the stock. Okay, while seeing this error, you have to correct it, or while doing implementation, you have to think about all the cases, and as per that, you have to do the configuration. While doing before doing configuration, you have to discuss with the business. If this is the case, this is the solution. If this is the case, this is the solution. If this is the case, this is the solution. So you have to give all test cases to them. All possible things, all possible
Yeah,
scenarios you have to
but
give the business, and the business has to accept, and then you have to.
yeah.
Right?
So this business rules is activated at the bin wise or the warehouse level?
Storage time.
Storage time.
Yeah, very simple example. When where are doing this configuration?
Storage time.
So it is storage type level. Okay. Yeah.
So
And
one question from me, Shiva.
please.
Yes, so like the splitting rules, right? So, and then non-splitting rules, like, is there any, because from my past experience, like sometimes business would like to keep the batch in a one area. They don't want to split the batch, and in some case they don't care. So from your experience, do you like give us an example? Where do you see like the split would be applicable and in certain cases the split will not be beneficial?
Yeah. So whatever you said, that is applicable and reasonable scenario, and we are going to learn it while learning batch management. Okay. So this example is for non-batch management. Non-batch managed materials. Okay. So for non-batch managed materials, see, batch management is not required for all the industries. It required only for few industries. If batch management is there, how to think about all these things? So we'll discuss that again. Okay. So this scenario is definitely useful, definitely applicable, and we have to do this as well, but not now. Okay. So this scenario is applicable when we are trying to learn batch management, and batch management is a part of our course. Okay. So we'll come to this part after so many days. Okay, not now. So before going to batch management, you have to learn a lot. This is basic thing. Okay. Fine. And now come to here. So these are all the possible scenarios we can do it. So I will show you scenario one by one. Okay. I am not going to do splitting configuration now. So what are all the things we have to define? See here, when you build a scenario, okay, it is not that point. Okay, everything is there, and I'm going to activate this one. And here, what I suggest you. So I'm changing putaway rules for the same storage type, which is not suggestible. For each and every putaway rule, we define a new storage type. Okay, so time won't be sufficient anyway. So what I do here, right now I'm going to change it to show the test case, and next session I'll define one storage type for general storage area, one storage type for empty bin, and one storage type for addition to existing stock, and we'll do it. And theory, practically it is same, and you to maintain the same. Okay, so let me go to for the test case for 2 days. We have only 30 minutes, right? More. So I'm going to change putaway rule here itself. Okay, but while learning, it is better for each and every scenario we have to define new org structure. That is good one. So whenever you want to see the records, whenever you want to see your notes for particular business point of view, so easily you can do it. Anyway, I'm going to change putaway rule here. Number one. So if it works, if you want to change this one, okay, you have to maintain capacity as well. Correct? So under capacity check, select option number one, that is check weight according to product. Hit enter, again enter. Okay, these two are going to change it.
So question, if we don't change the capacity, then system will never propose a new bin, right?
Correct. Now save it. Okay, so you have to maintain capacity check and validate your bins are maintained with capacity check or not. So that may be maximum volume, that may be maximum weight, and that may be total capacity. Total capacity means number of units. Okay, let's see it. Go to /n/scwm. LS03. if you go to here for G100, if you open F4 option, if you hit enter, you could see only the bins, no capacity. So in this report, you cannot see it. Okay. Then it is always better to go to a report that is from front end, logistics, extended warehouse management, come to master data, storage bins, and here mass edit storage bins. Okay, you no need to edit, but you can see the details. So I'd like to see the details for G100 and for the storage type ST01. So give these details and execute it. So you can see the report. These many bins are there and maximum weight is already maintained 100 kgs. So what is the prerequisite? You have to maintain capacity check as well as you have to maintain some relevant to capacity. That may be weight, that may be volume, that may be number of units. Okay, so how do you see that? So if you go to /n/scwm ls01, okay, here you can see maximum weight, maximum volume, total capacity means total number of units. Okay, any one of this field can be maintained. Okay, what is the condition? If it is a maximum weight, if you are maintaining maximum weight in a bin, so you have to maintain weight of the product as well. Where do you maintain? Go to /OMM03. So you can see weight in basic data 1 itself. Here you consider gross weight, don't consider net weight. Okay, so the weight is 2 kgs. Okay, if you want to maintain this field at bin level, accordingly, this weight should be maintained at metal master level. Okay, so if you want to maintain volume, volume means length and breadth and height of the bin. The product of length into breadth into height of the bin is equal to volume. Okay, that may be 10 cubic meters, 5 cubic meters, 2 cubic meters, blah blah. So if it is so, and you have to maintain the same dimensions of your product as well here. Okay, 99% of cases business won't go with this because it has so many issues. Okay, fine. And if you want to go to total capacity, system will not consider the weight of the product and weight of the bin as well. It will take only number of units. Okay, number of units means based on here it is base unit of measure. Okay, in base unit of measure we have to select each or unit, something, anything like this, each. Can we say 1 unit like that? Okay, it should be count, it should be able to count the quantity. Okay, suppose 2 kgs, 8 kgs, 5 kgs, that is not count, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units is called count. Okay, so the countable base unit of measure you have to select here. Okay, so best example is each. So how many eaches are there? System will propose to place that number of eaches. Each means 1. Okay, so if you maintain here 100 units, system accommodate to place in this bin only 100 units. Okay, that's the way. Fine. So right now we have the configurations with maximum weight. Okay, we'll go with this. Where is that? So initially for first month or for 45 days to 2 months, you practice to go through everything like this path. Okay, once you are well practiced, then use T course directly. Okay, so to go to this one, use the transaction slash and slash SCW ls11. Okay, such a way. So initially, I am also going to show you through path, and going forward, I'll go with only T codes. Right here, maximum weight is 100 kgs and each unit weight is 2 kgs. So in one bin, how many units can be placed?
50.
50 units. For these products, for this kind of products, if the weight is 2 kgs, for this product, only 50 units can be placed. Right? Fine. Go to the configurations. Go to /nspro img extended warehouse management, master data. Go to define storage type. Go to this. And our warehouse is G100. I would like to ask you a question. Putaway rules are applicable for GR zone?
No.
No.
So, no is correct answer. Is it 100% correct answer?
No.
So, what percentage it is? More than 90%. Okay, because it doesn't require any role, okay, any rule, but anyway, we have to maintain general area. Okay, if there is no rule means this should be blank, right? Something we have to maintain. Okay, so no rule is yes correct, 90 or 90+%. Somehow you have to maintain something here. Good. And coming to second one, ST01. So putaway rules are applicable for this storage type. Yes, for one storage type, one kind of putaway rule. For another storage type, another putaway rule. For other storage type, other putaway rules. So whatever putaway rules are available, those putaway rules will be maintained as per storage type. And who will decide this? Business, not you and me. Consultant cannot decide it. Okay, what are all the available things, what are the available options available in SAP will be explained to business, and business will take the decision. Okay, so after giving all these options, business will tell you for storage type 1 we need put away rule 2, for storage type 2 put away rule some other, whatever it is. Okay, here out of all this business will select. So here our example is addition to existing stock. So if you want to maintain this, then you have to go for capacity check as well. Okay, these are mandatory things, and I am not going to split put away task. Okay, so this we'll see later. Here we can configure it. Without configuring this, how system behaves, that is your point. Okay, let's run a scenario. Before going to run a scenario, we have to check the report. Okay, go to /o/scwm MONY. All reports are available in the monitor. We don't have any other transaction codes. For example, in SAP, in ERP modules, you do have thousands of reports. Let me show you here. We can see here it says, okay, it is opened. So go to ECC. Okay, good. If you go to SAP one transaction, see here, all these are reports only. Okay, so you can, if you open each and every node, you can see hundreds of. Let me go to warehouse relevant, logistics execution, warehouse management. For master data, see how many reports are there. And for transfer requirement, like warehouse order and task, see how many reports are there. For transfer orders, see how many reports are there. And for physical inventory, see how many reports. For posting change and so on, right? So in ERP or ERP warehouses and non-EWM modules will have so many reports, whereas in EWM there is only one report. The report is called monitor. Okay, all reports are available here itself. All reports are available here itself in a monitor relevant to warehouse management, not for the other modules. Okay, fine. Now, this is the report, and whatever you want, you try to find out in these notes. What I am trying to do here, I want to see a report with a combination of product and the bin. Okay, so here is the combination, stock and bin. That is product and bin, correct? Now open it. So what do you want to check? I want to check product and bin. So go to physical stock here, and I want to see all the report. So I don't want to give any filter here. Just execute it. Okay, so I can see here. Okay, so there are only two materials, that is mat 1 and mat 4 in this. Here you can see the materials, and these are the bin numbers. Okay, so these materials are available in these bin numbers, right? Fine, keep it open, then go to, I think it is better to go with a new material so that you can understand the scenario. Fine, then let me create a material. Go to mm01, take mat 1 only. Two is there, but we didn't use 2 so far. Why?
Might be different warehouse.
No. There is no stock. Check it. As for HANA level, for to execute it, there is no stock. Okay, I'm going to use this product. I'll go to /n/scwm M81. I would like to check all details are maintained here or not. G100 mat2.
It's a G100.
Okay, go to change mode. So this is not extended to this warehouse as well. Okay, now click on create. Go to warehouse data, scroll down, maintain putaway rule. I mean pass here, putaway control indicator. This is the one. Okay, to test it we have to check whether this is extended to our warehouse storage locations or not. Go to G100. So it is not extended to warehouse storage locations. If it is not extended to storage locations, we will face some issues. So what issues we'll face, we'll see it later. Okay, fine. So here I'm using one new material for this scenario. Okay, let's go to test case. So what you have to do here, give ME21 and create a purchase order. This is for G100. Don't select PED. It should not be. And 2 more vendors are there. Any vendor you can select. Hit enter. Match 2. PO quantity 10. And it is in G100. Store allocation should be ROD1. Material 2 does not maintained by purchasing. Okay. So when you see this kind of message, okay, it is not maintained by purchasing. Go to material master. Go to /o mm01. Go to mm01 with the material. Hit enter, enter, and purchasing. Earlier it was not there. Now it is selected. Hit enter. Everything is good. Hit enter, enter, enter. Save it. So we maintained purchasing a view for this material. The issue will be resolved. So hit enter, and so while you're trying to save it, it may save or not. Okay, because I do the configurations after entering this screen, so it is not suggestible. Whenever you do some changes, configurations or master data, it is always better to create a new document. Go to ME21 and again. Okay, and this is the supplier. Give here all the values, and this is the material and some quantity. Plant store allocation. See, the issue was resolved, so I did not see that one. So first time you have to give some price of this product. Enter, 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 and how many times the messages comes, you have to hit enter. Okay, actually those are warning messages. People have to correct it. Okay, so we don't have any issue. That's the reason I am ignoring those messages. In real time, that should be considered. And select confirmation control key. Save it. Okay, and then create VL31 N. Okay, so need to do something here? Nothing. Save it. So this is the document number, and it is transferred to distributed to EWM as well. Go to /n/scwm PRDI transaction. Check default values. Looks good. And select here logistics execution delivery. Give the document number in this place. Execute. So what you have to do? Do the GR. Good. Then create a warehouse document for Putaway. Okay. So if I click on here, which bin system has to propose? That's the question. So the bin number is this one, 04. What is the bin number? 040201 BB. This has selected this one. Why? So we are doing addition to existing stock, and this is a new material, and this material is not available in these 3 bins. Okay, go to the report. Go to physical stock, execute it. So if you observe here, this mat2 is not available anywhere, and so bin AB, bin BA, bin AA, bin AB, bin BA are already occupied. AA, AB, BA. What is the empty bin? BB, right? So addition to existing stock. In these 3 bins, some stock is there. That's the reason system is proposing this bin as per our expectation. Okay, looks good. Save it. Okay, and assume that this document is given to, assigned to, hand over to a warehouse user. User will go to GR zone, he will pick this material and he will place it to this bin. Okay, assume that that is confirmed. Assume that that is executed and confirm here and confirm here at header level. Done. Now go to monitor, refresh it. Okay, now we can see here mat2 has placed in this bin. Okay, BB. Let's run another scenario. Okay, and not another scenario, on the test case. ME21N. Okay, come to here. Some quantity. See, system didn't ask me the price. So when you do purchase order first time for a new material, it will ask and then it will update in info records. So no worries about that. And this is also updated in info record. It is updated here. We're good. And go to create VL31N. Enter. Nothing need to be changed. Just save it. System slowness. Yeah, it is saved. And this is your document number. Go to /n/scw PRDI as usual. Come to here, give the document number, execute it, do gr, and go to following functions, create warehouse task. Now, if I click on create, system has to propose the bin. Okay, which bin it should be? It should be 040 02 001 01 BB. So we are following addition to existing stock put-away rule, and this mat2 is available in this bin and its capacity is 100 kgs. Only 10 units are there. That means 20 kgs only accommodated at this moment, at this point of time. So 80 kgs can be placed, and our required quantity is only 10 units, that means 20 kgs. So it can accommodate another 20 kgs in the same bin. Let's see whether it worked out or not. Click on create. Okay, see the bin number. Go to form view. Scroll down. What is the bin number? 040020101 BB. Is it correct? 0200102. I mean 040020101 BB. Okay, so it is proposing in the same bin. That is called addition to existing stock. Okay, save the document and go to confirmation, confirm it and confirm. Okay, so this is the way. So you have to select it the same way. Suppose if it is, I am going to run another test case. So I'll take some other quantity now. I am taking.
Shiva, one question here. Can I make the large number of quantity in PO? We can create the multiple deliveries and we can split it.
Yeah, always. We can. That is quite possible. But better it is practiced this way, I feel. Okay. I am taking here 50 units. Save it. Create a VL31N. And here the deliveries we have to learn a lot. Not at this moment. Okay. I will show you the partial quantities later. Okay. Right now, please follow the same. And if you know it, I mean, you know only this point, splitting deliveries, you can do it, no issues. It is quite possible and standard. So 50 units, 50 eaches. How many kgs? 100 kgs. Okay. Save this, and this is the document number. Go to PRDI. With the document number here. I execute it. Okay, do GR as usual. System is running slow. There is some performance issue while practicing. Do bit slow. Create document, warehouse document for Putaway. Now, if I click on create here, where it should go? It should not be placed in BB. Okay, if I refresh this, in BB, 10 plus 10, 20 units are there. Okay, in this bin, already 20 units are there. But here, in this jar, we are using 50 units. How system behaves? Click on create. Now, see here. See, it is going to next bin. Is it correct? Is it next bin only? Go to F4 option. So this is the next bin, right? So next empty bin, because it has to accommodate 50 units and 50 units space is not available in this bin. So here you can accommodate only 30 units. Suppose business decision wants to place entire stock in one bin or not in existing bin. If it is so, this is the case and you have to do it. Okay, now save this one. Fine. So this is the way. We'll discuss about split warehouse task in next session. So that will be good. I think it is overloaded today. Fine. And that's it from my end. And weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and Monday is January 1st. That is a holiday. So we'll meet on 2nd January. Fresh.
So, Shiva, 2nd January India time, right?
Yeah. India time only.
Okay.
2nd January India time.
Okay, that is my same day. Okay.
Can we get I think Nagadra with you? Like can we also get Tuesday off so we can
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe first night, right? For us, first night.
Oh, okay, got it. Then we'll meet on the 3rd January as per India time.
Yeah, 3rd January would be good.
Yeah, sure. No issues.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Shiva.
Confirmed, right, Shiva?
Yeah, it's confirmed.
Thanks, Swapnil.
Yeah.
Who is that? Swapnil, right?
Yes, Swapnil.
Yeah, thanks, Swapnil. Where are you located?
I'm in Michigan.
Michigan. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. See you on Wednesday. That is 3rd January as per India time.
Happy New Year too. Okay.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Shiva, can we speak with you?
Bobby. Bobby?
Can I speak you in personally WhatsApp?
Yeah, please give me a call.
Yeah.
Okay.